Alright guys, we're back at the Tail of the Dragon. Once again, I have to redo this freaking intro. But anyways, we're at the Tail of the Dragon. Infamous Tail of the Dragon. I've been cooking just a little bit, okay? You see the tires. We got the gap cam going. Cooking just a little bit. And I've been waiting for a little clear path so I can kind of really cut up like I want to. And I realized last year's video, man, it's been a whole year since I've been out here. I love coming out here. I only come out here once a year for Slammed Enough. Nobody really goes to the car show, so normally I just come here. Today is Friday, and the car show is actually Saturday and Sunday, I believe. And we got some more sport bikes pulling up, but I'm about to dip here. I'm just gonna follow behind those cars because I kind of want to get on the road. We got some Bailey Zimmerman playing. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Aprilia should be up here, either up here or he'll be out here later on today. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, I gotta clear these codes so I can see. There we go, baby. Overcast. It looks like it wants to rain. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh yeah, I picked a good time. I say that as I see the taillights of the Mustang. Damn it. We'll still throw the timer up on the screen just for shits and giggles. See how fast I got. I'm way more confident than last year in my turning and winging abilities. The only thing I need to work on now is like coming in, my braking, leaning. I gotta start using that back brake, my front brake a lot more. Oh yeah, cutting up, baby. Oh, that might, I think that was the dude that rides with Aprilia, the old guy. I hate, a lot of people don't show their face because you don't know what they look like. You just know their bike. I also got to remember my time that I come through here so I can get my pictures. Ooh, on the paint. Yeah, that's one thing you got to worry about, guys. Be on that paint. It's slippery. Get down on that yellow paint, it's over with, buddy. I'm already at 53, baby. You might want to call me Maxwrist. Let's go. I might not have the same speed, but we getting there. My leaning has improved so much. Being able to switch back and forth. Oh, stay on your side, buddy. Oh, that Mustang is getting away from me. Oh! Almost lost it. Ah, the truck just pulled out. Anytime a truck pulls out like that, just take it off. Oh yeah, baby. Ripping. Way better than last year. Oh. I haven't used my brake this whole time, and I need to. Especially watching Aprilia and all them, it's like, alright, they use their brake, I need to use mine. And those guys are damn near professionals. See how easy it is to go over the yellow? Another thing you gotta look out for is cars when they're coming. You better tuck that head in, boy. Because if not, that thing will take your fucking head off your shoulders. Because I rely way too heavily on engine braking. And as you guys have seen, thank y'all. As you guys have seen, I've gone over the yellow a bunch. So I'll record these things so I can get better. Back up with that Mustang now, baby. Let's go. Woo! Stressful, baby. Lock in. I really hope I'm still recording. If not, I'm going to be highly upset. I know my Insta is still recording. Also, this is my first time on like real twisties and GP shift. So, I'm doing pretty good. I wouldn't say I'm doing bad. It's just switching over to GP, it was pretty simple actually. Like, I picked up pretty quick. I'm a fast learner regardless of the situation. And I work well kind of like under pressure. I don't like tremendous pressure like life or death, but apply a little pressure and I'm gonna figure it out quick, because you gotta be able to make a decision and stick to it. If not, you'll go off the side of this cliff, baby. Like you probably seen on a couple turns back there, I was not leaning hard enough and I just had to lean a little bit more. That's why I'm at 47 and 53 right now. The highest I've ever gotten was 50. This is the part I hate about the Dragon. It just gets so congested. But I mean, like, you know, I'm glad everybody's riding at their ability, you know. They're not trying to ride outside their ability, their skill level. Because that'd end up with a fucked up day and you'd be off the side of this cliff or something. I don't even know how far we're in. Oh man. One thing I picked up on too, where I used to be riding my bike a lot on the twisties that we do have back in Alabama, the two little turns I do almost every video. I used to push my handlebars out so that they're straight, so whatever side I'm leaning on, the other handlebar I'll kind of like either pull it back or push it forward to keep it straight. That way I'm actually leaning, I'm not turning my wheel. Boy Moon, if you're watching this video, if I'm still recording, man, I hate you couldn't experience this, man. I wish you would have came. But I don't know. We've talked about it before. I don't think you're a big twisties guy. I know you like hitting them, but I don't know if you're like a die-hard twisty fan. You know? I don't know. I'm gonna have to call you, figure it out. Oh no, we're gonna pass it back. Wow, that Mustang is going slow up there. I don't even think he's going the speed limit. That's another thing about being fast. You can let a crowd go in front of you, but you're gonna catch up. If you don't let a big enough gap go to account for congestion and people slowing down, you're gonna catch up. Excuse me. Man, this is not even, I can't even really count this as a speed run. Because, you know, I got stuck, but I'm going to try to figure out a way to throw the timer up on the screen and see how fast I got. Because I can't do it on my freaking dash anymore. I got to get my codes clear tonight, see if that'll work. Because I do have 3 different sports screens, and ever since they've been throwing these codes, I've not been able to switch over to them, see my lap time. Song this is. The Weekend? Yeah, I can dig with that. Oh, damn, we finally made it. Shit. One thing, boy, I need to get off this bike and just chill. I had an hour and a half ride up here. There it is. Had an hour and ride up here, and I had to get off the bike at the little lookout spot where everybody goes, because my legs was killing me. Was not going to be able to lean off the bike like I wanted to. It's packed. So I woke up this morning at 7. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get out there early. Man, the sun wasn't even up, man. Alright, if you guys enjoyed that video, hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment something down below what I should improve on. If you liked it, if I didn't do anything wrong, if I did do something wrong, let me know. Don't forget, we're getting real safe. Keep chasing greatness, baby. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.